Once upon a time, there was a very lazy person who always looked for easy ways to feed himself. One day, while he was searching for something to eat, he saw a fruit farm. He looked around, didn't see anyone there, so he quickly decided to steal some food. But as he walked close to the farm and started climbing the fruit tree, the farmer saw him, shouted, and ran after him. The lazy man got afraid and ran towards the forest nearby and went inside to hide. After some time, he started to move on from the forest, and while passing, he saw a wonderful scene. There was a fox. It had only 2 legs and still was crawling on them gratefully. The lazy man thought, how can this fox stay alive in such condition? The fox can't run. How he must be able to feed himself or stay safe from the threat of other animals. Suddenly he saw a lion coming towards the fox with a piece of meat in his mouth. All the animals ran away and the lazy man climbed up on the tree in fear. The fox stayed there on 2 legs. But what happened next was such a strange thing. The lion left a piece of meat which was in his mouth for the fox. The lazy man felt happy to see God's play. He thought the God who is the creator of universe always had a plan set to take care of whatever he has created. He felt that God must have something planned for him too. So he left the place and sat somewhere away alone waiting for someone to feed him too, just like the fox. As time started to pass, he kept looking at the road, waiting for his food. He waited there for 2 days without any food. Finally, he left that place and started moving. He met an old sage on the way. He shared everything with the sage. The sage first gave him some food and water. And after having it, the lazy man asked the sage, "Oh wise one, the God was so kind to that crippled fox, but why the God was so cruel to me?" The old sage smiled and said, "True, that the Creator has a plan for everyone. You are part of God's plan, but you see, in God's plan, He wants you to behave like the lion, not like the fox." So dear viewers, indeed God created humans in the best form. You got to see the greatness inside you. Let me tell you, your time is coming and it is much bigger than what you thought. Have faith.